How you guys doing today? I'm here to talk about like all the loops I had to go through just to start my own business and get it off the ground. I have watched a lot of YouTube videos on tips and everything on how to make it happen. But I felt like a lot of them videos was missing a few things. And then I'm here to share with you everything that I had to go through so that way you won't have to go through all the trouble. Then you have all the information that you need to get started and everything. And be careful of a couple of scams out there, because some people, like, especially for certificate of good standing and stuff like that, I had got a mail and the letter right after, a week after I started, I applied for my business and everything. And I'm thinking it's from the state, and then they wanted like $65 for that. And I'm like, and I had already made the money order and then stopped at the post office and dropped it off. And then I went back home and checked it out and then looked it up, did my research, and come to find out the state only charged $5. So I ran back to the post office like, hey, I need that letter back, and then went ahead and took my money order. So be careful of the scams out there. A lot of people, they be trying to find ways to. It's crazy how it's a hustle and everything, but it's just crazy how people just wanna, take your hard-earned money that you work for and everything. You try to do something positive, and then they're trying to get in your pockets and everything. But anyway, I'm not going to hold you much longer. This is what I did, and this is what I suggest. I don't suggest, but I feel like it's a good tip. Yeah. So what I did was I went ahead and bought a few stuff. Equipments and stuff like that I needed for my business, like for my cleaning business. I went, actually, to be honest with you, I went on Temu and bought some of the stuff that I have. And then I also went on Facebook Marketplace and bought some of the stuff that I have. And I also went to Amazon and bought some of the stuff I had because I had an idea. And then I wanted to go ahead and grab the stuff while, they was available, for a good price. Because you don't need a lot of money to start the business. So after that, what I did, went ahead and I went and registered with the Secretary of State of Ohio, because that's where I'm from and everything. You gotta know what state you want to do business in. So I did that. I think it was like $99 I paid to get that done. So after I did that, I went ahead and I had to get a EIN number. So when I went ahead and obtained my federal employee identification number, I then went through the website and it was free. Went ahead and got that out the way. And after I did that, I had to register with the Department of Taxation, So I did that. I registered. So what after I got my EIN number, I went ahead and opened up a bank account with my bank. Now, I already had like a savings and a checking account with that bank. So I decided to go use the same bank to open up the business checking account. But I'm going to take my money out that bank and move it to another bank and do business with another bank, because the bank I was with is Union Saving Bank, and they don't offer, like, I don't know, the one I went to, that's what the lady told me, the manager told me, they don't offer business loans and everything like that. They only do home loans. And then that's why I went there at first, but then I decided to start my own business. So I'm going to take my business to another bank that could offer me all those things where I feel like I have a safety net. But when you open up the bank account, make sure you have your LLC operation agreement with you. Take that with you also, because they're going to need that. And also they're going to need your resolution paperwork, your corporate resolution, depending if you file for S Corp or whatever. Mine's just a basic LLC. I went ahead and filed for. So but the way I had it set up, I had to have that too. So after I did that, I went and opened up the bank account. So got those all set up and everything. The next thing I did was register to the Ohio Department of Taxation. So I had to go to the IRS and register my business and let them know that I'm doing business and everything. So when it comes to filing and everything, I'm already set. So there's another thing you have to do to get that out the way. And, you know, that's easy and it's free too. There's no charge for that. After that, I went ahead and signed up with fencing. You know, I heard it's FINCEN. You know, apply with that because I heard they charge you daily if you don't file, and them charges could be pretty high. And basically, what it is, it's a financial crimes enforcement network. You just go to their website and then you go ahead and submit your business and everything. You know, I definitely recommend doing that. You know, that's very important. And the next thing, like if your business, if you're gonna be hiring people in your business, like you don't have to do this in the beginning if it's just you. But if you plan to have employees and everything, you wanna register with your job and family services. And for a new hire, you know, I guess that's like to make sure that people are getting paid like they're supposed to and stuff like that. And you know, you could look that up for some more information, like on the internet, on Google or something. Like, you know, that's not what this video is about. But yeah, like determine like what you may be required to do business in your state for workers' compensation. You know, you want to go to them websites too. You know, like it's bwc.yourstate.gov, I guess. And then to find out, like, and that's for like if you have employees and stuff like that. As for yourself, I don't know. I'm still doing more research. Like, I'm new to this, so like doing it legitly this time, you know, because I want to do things the right way. Yeah. And after that, you have to go to identification requirements with your state, job and family services, you know, I guess that's for like unemployment, taxation and stuff like that. So did that. And yeah, like that's all I had to do just to get started, you know. Just next thing is just what I did, I went ahead to Holsinger and then created a website, went through WordPress. That's one thing about Holsinger, like it's a nice little website how they got you set up. I think I paid like how much I paid? It wasn't that much. I think I paid for 4 years. And then for 4 years, I think they only charged me like $10. They had like, was it 10? It might have been more than that. It might have been like $30 or $40 or something, you know, but it was a good deal. I jumped on it, and then you could create unlimited websites under your name and everything. So I think that was great. And then I went to WordPress and to help build up my website, and then did that. And then a phone number. You know, they always say have a professional phone number and everything, a 1-800 number. And then that's good if you're doing like nationwide business. But if you're just doing local, I don't know, you could just get you a local number, you know. That's what I did. And then I already have like with Verizon. So I'm paying for like 3 numbers with the tablet, the watch, and then the phone. And then so I just use like you know, a free company and stuff like that, and have it forwarded to one of those numbers where like, cause I'm already paying, so, you know, but if you have the money, go ahead and get your 1-800 number, you know. And as far as like a place for my business, I didn't want to use my home address for my business or my application and everything, so I use a PO box. But a lot of people have virtual addresses and everything. You know, like I might do that later in the future, but right now I don't have the funds for that. And then I heard that's how you end up getting like loans from the bank and everything. So, but I'm gonna talk to my bank and then see everything that I need to do. And I suggest you do the same thing. Talk to your bank and then see what all the requirements. And then, but I heard that a virtual address is the good way to go. It's the best way to go. And they have 2 of them. And I'm not gonna go through all that. There's more than 2, but 2 of them are the, you know, the big boys in the game. And then where you're allowed to get, you know, some loans or business loans and everything, and business credit cards. So, and then that's my goal. But right now I just have a PO box, and then just to get started off and everything, so that way I could have mail going, to there. What else did I do after I created the website? Oh yeah, I went to Facebook and created a website through Facebook. Went to Yelp, created one with Yelp. I'm not paying for any ads and everything. Also, I did Google Business. I went and signed up with them too and everything. But I'm not paying none of them for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I don't have the funds. If you do have the funds, go ahead and pay for those subscriptions, and then they'll help you with the leads that you might want to get. But like I said, I don't have the funds for that. So I just went the cheap route and just put them out there, put my name out there and everything, and then go by the word of mouth, and then start posting and find ways to advertise. So now my next step is just to go out and start hunting down clients and everything. So I'll let you know how that go on the next video. So basically, I just want to let you know the steps that I had to go through to start the business. If you have any comments and everything, any questions or any ideas, please feel free to leave it. And if you like the video, hit the like button. If not, it's cool. This is just information. And this is my first video, so I'll do my best to do better next time on the next ones. Also, you want to set up a DMB number, with Paydex, Dun and Bradstreet. I think that's for your score, your business credit score and everything. I think you want to do that too. And that'd be a good idea to have that set up to DMB. So, but I'm about to do that now and everything. So I haven't done it yet, but that's what I'm about to do now. That's the next step and everything. All right.